Good morning. My name is Eric Hauser. I'm currently a battalion chief with Cathedral City Fire Department. Cathedral City Fire Department's located about 90 miles east of Los Angeles in the Southern California desert next to Palm Springs. This unit right here serves our community out of 3 fire stations. We've got about a 34 square mile area of coverage with a population of about 60,000 people. This is a 2020 Pierce Quantum. This particular unit matches our fleet, so we currently have 3 similar units in our organization to include a 75-foot Pierce Quantum ladder. So this is the newest addition. This is going to replace a 2009 unit very similar to this. We're real excited about this. This unit here has several upgrades from the 2009 that it's going to replace. Some of the unique features that we have are the upgraded lighting. You can see the lighting up top on the cab. We've also added some additional lighting under our marker lights here on the top portion of the windshield. Another feature that our firefighters use on a routine basis is this front bumper line. So this is unique here, how this piece folds down. Our other units, that doesn't occur, so sometimes it's a challenge for the firemen to get the hose out of this compartment. But with this drop down face now, that's going to be much easier for that hose to deploy. A couple other features that I'd like to point out here as well is with the temperatures in the summer, it gets extremely warm. So we've added some additional insulation inside the cab. The exterior LED lighting as well is really important for firefighter safety. A lot of the incidents that the firefighters run are at night or on busy roadways or freeways. So it's imperative that we've got good illumination both on the unit itself and underneath. So the gentleman that did the build-up on this unit right here paid special attention to the exterior lighting. As you can see too, another upgrade with this 2020 unit is we've got the backlighting on the grab handles. An additional feature that we include in our units is the roof air. So when this unit is parked inside the fire station apparatus bay, the unit's plugged into power from a shoreline, which runs the air conditioner at all times, so that when the firemen have an emergency incident, they have a cool cab. So not only is their cab cooled off, but all their turnout gear as well. A lot of attention to detail on our graphics. The gold leaf lettering on the door, the gold leaf down the side of the vehicle here, and obviously the gold leaf lettering up above those compartments. I think really sets the unit off with the two-tone paint. We've got a 1500 GPM pump on this with a Husky foam system. An issue that all fire agencies have is not enough storage, not enough compartment space for the tools and equipment that is carried. So the one thing that we wanted to stay away from on this particular unit was we didn't want to put too much equipment and kind of well, the one thing that we wanted to stay away from was putting too many tools and equipment in the compartments. So we wanted to make sure that they stayed, clean and it's easy for the firefighters to access the equipment. So we added some additional storage compartments to the top of this unit. So the tools and equipment that aren't frequently used, we can store up top, and that frees up compartment space down below. And it just makes it easier for the firefighters to access their gear. Yeah, as well, we added lighting to the top of the unit as well for firefighter safety to help prevent any type of slip and fall injuries. Yeah, to the rear of the unit as well. As you can see, we've got the lighting underneath the vehicle. That's again in place for firefighter safety, and as well we've got the traffic signboard, which is above here for those emergency incidents that we have on the roadway. Yeah, another feature that we like to have on our units in Cathedral City is the ladder racks. The ladder racks, there is a price to pay for those, but it really helps increasing your compartment space. In this compartment here is another unique feature that we put together. You can, this is obviously a deeper compartment, but what you can do is you can mount your tools, some tools on this side, and you open this up, and you can also mount additional tools on the back side to include the back of the compartment. So this will be really nice to organize the rescue tools for our firefighters. So this unit here is a paramedic engine company. So we have narcotics that are in our drug box. And so another feature that we had placed on this unit here is the keyless entry system, so that quickly either the captain or the engineer can secure the vehicle when it's not attended, securing our equipment and our paramedic gear as well. All right, well, I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at Cathedral City Fire's new Pierce Quantum 2020 Type 1. Take care.